Hello everyone, let's see how to send Excel file as a PDF by email. So first open your Excel file, go to the File tab, then click on here the left hand side Share option, then click on the Email option, then here Send as a PDF option available, click on it. After that, wait for the few seconds and here you see your Excel file as a PDF here attached it in new email. You just add here the two email address and CC and your email, send your PDF by email. Here the one bonus tip, if you want to save this PDF in your computer, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the save as. Then here the destination where you want to save. So I select the documents and you can edit the name also. And after that, click on the save and it's done. This PDF is saved in your computer and then you can just send it. That's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.